వాణిజ్యం వ్యాపారం లేనిది ప్రభుత్వాలు నడవు, వ్యవస్థ నడవదు.
Congratulate the organizers led by HyBiz Tv for organizing this excellent award function. I think what we have seen today is a plethora of diverse set of entrepreneurs who have tremendously contributed to the growth of industries and commerce.
I would like to congratulate Rajgopal Gariki, Sandhya Gariki, vari team over a period of long years with their professional news only in regarding to business has given them the credence that they only disseminate right information and try to be a news provider for the businessmen. They have the large number of businessmen who would be viewing this HyBiz Tv. So I thank the organizers for calling me here to be part and parcel of sharing the dance with the businessmen, the innovators, and all the people over here. Thank you, one.
I'm very happy to be a part of second edition of HyBiz Business Excellence Award.
Thank you so much, HyBiz. Thank you so much.
I'm very thankful for HyBiz TV.
I'm very thankful to HyBiz TV.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
We thank the HyBiz TV.
We are thankful to HyBiz TV for the award.
We would like to thank HyBiz TV for organizing this.
I want to thank HyBiz TV and its team.
Thank you so much, HyBiz TV.
Thank you very much, HyBiz TV.
We are very thankful to HyBiz TV.
I thank HyBiz TV.
Thank you, HyBiz.
Many thanks to HyBiz TV organizers, Mr. Rajgopal and Sandhya Garu.
Thank you, HyBiz TV.
Thank you so much for Rajgopal Garu and Sandhya Garu.